Hey there folks, it's Andrew from Wowparts. Canned food has been a staple since the 1800s, with canneries now spread all over the globe. The benefits are clear: nutrition, convenience, cost, long shelf life, eco-friendliness, and robust packaging. But speaking of packaging, getting into those cans can be a challenge. While some cans have a pull tab, many require a can opener. Let's dive into the different types of can openers available. First, we've got the classic manual can openers. You know, the one with gears? You can clamp the can between the gears, twist the knob, and voila! However, they do require some muscle work, which might not be ideal for everyone, especially those with arthritis or other physical disabilities. So while these types of can openers are traditional, cheap, and easy to find, they do require some elbow grease to operate. But not all manual openers are created equal. There are now multi-purpose tools, like our 4-in-1 Wowparts opener, which can tackle jars, cans, and bottles. This one is a common design that can be found in many stores and online. Just place the appropriate sized opener on the lid of the container you want to open, then grip it and turn it around. It's designed with a durable PP outer layer and a soft TRP rubber inner layer for a firm grip, making it easier to use without slipping. Now, let's talk about the future: automatic can openers. These beauties mean no more physical strain. Just place the opener on the can, hit a button, and watch it do all the work. Perfect for anyone looking to ease the effort of daily tasks or those with physical limitations. They're also great for people who are looking to simplify their life and make can opening easier. So I got a couple automatic can openers here. You can see the different types of varieties that are out there on the market. This black and red one is a pretty common design. All you need to do is hit this button. And you can see it turning there. There's no gear there. Let me go ahead and turn it off so you can hear me better. But yeah, you can see that I was turning earlier. All I had to do was press a button and this would rotate around the can, opening it. Our Wowparts automatic opener is not only efficient, but also safe. Now, you do not have to worry about damaging your hands from opening difficult lids and caps. Made from sturdy ABS material, it's rust resistant and lightweight, ideal for portability. Cleaning is as simple as running it under water and giving it a quick wipe. So, whether you prefer the straightforward approach of a manual opener or the effortless operation of an automatic one, Wowparts has something for everyone. I hope this video sheds some light on your can opening options. If you enjoyed this, why not subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook for all the latest product news? Thanks for watching.